Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make pumpkin soup. It's a very easy recipe and it requires very few ingredients and takes a little time. It's good for weight loss and for your health. So keep on watching to know the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's take a look at the recipe. I'm adding few tablespoons of oil to a kadhai. Let the oil heat a little bit. Now that the oil is hot, I'm adding half onion chopped. Fry it a little bit. Let it become a little bit translucent. Now I'm adding chopped garlic. Now fry them a little bit. I'm adding chopped pumpkin. Some salt. Don't add too much salt because we are going to add veg stock which also contains salt. Now I'm adding vegetable stock. If you don't have vegetable stock at home, you can use the vegetable cube in hot water. Now you can see our pumpkin is cooked. I have taken it in a grinder jar. After grinding, it looks like this. I'm adding some cream. Our soup is ready. It's simple as that. Let's add in some black pepper powder. And some coriander leaves chopped just for garnish. I hope you liked my recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you guys.